Okay, so the theme for the month of May for the fire sign Leo is flow. So again, flow meaning let things flow naturally, do not control things, uh, do not try to manipulate things, just let it happen. Yun yung sinasabi ng cards, yun yung theme nyo for this month of May. So just let things happen naturally. Okay, for the fire sign Leo, it seems like May would be a very parang so-so lang na month. It's saying here with the Three of Wands in the reverse, things are not going the way that you planned it to be. Yun yung parang major or general forecast for the month of May. And tinatry mong there are plans. You're trying to make sense. You want to know parang are my decisions good? You're wanting to know if the decisions that you are making are really what you want. Kasi sinasabi dito, parang meron kang gustong gawin pero in reality, hindi siya yung magpapasaya sa'yo. Yun yung advice ng cards or yung forecast ng cards for the month of May. Kasi it looks like you have fallen for someone. Pagdating naman sa love forecast, it seems as if you've fallen for someone. You are in love with someone actually. But the thing is, hindi mo magawan ng aksyon yung pag-ibig na ito. Parang all you can do right now is love from afar. Kilala mo itong taong to, mahal mo itong taong ito, you want to give and give and give to this person. Kahit na alam niyang magkaibigan lang kayo. Yun yung sinasabi ng cards dito. And you want it to stay that way. Kasi, first off, ayaw mong masira yung friendship. So, okay ka lang na ikaw lang yung nakakaalam na mahal mo yung taong ito. Reciprocated naman siguro itong love na ito. Kasi, may care at may pagmamahal din siya para sa'yo. But the thing is, parang hindi pwedeng maging kayo or for some reason, there are obstacles and hindrances when it comes to this situation. So, okay ka lang. You're okay with how things are going on with your love life. You're loving from afar. You don't want it to end kasi you are friends with the person that you love. And you want to give and give to this person. And with the last card here, the world card. Lumabas pareho eh. Twice lumabas yung the world card. This is sort of the guidance for you guys for the fire sign Leo. Just do what you need to do. Again, in line with the theme na flow, wag mong pigilan. If may nararamdaman ka or meron kang gustong gawin, kasi pinapangunahan mo ng takot. Yun yung sinasabi ng cards. Pinapangunahan mo ng takot. And at the same time, ayaw mong ma-disappoint or ayaw mong ma-reject. Natatakot ka na ma-reject. Whether this is about love or parang life in general, you're afraid to get rejected and you're afraid na mawala yung opportunity sa'yo pagdating sa new beginning mo. So, okay ka lang. Parang you're just going with the flow right now and you don't want the cycle to end. Yun yung sinasabi ng cards. Even if you know that what is happening to you is not really the best option. Parang so-so lang. Kasi ikaw yung type ng tao na impulsive or risk taker. Pero ngayon, dahil nga alam mong madaming risks involved pagdating dito sa sitwasyon na to, you would rather stay parang normal or in the norm. Ayaw mo mag-take ng risk kasi natatakot ka sa mga pwedeng mawala sa'yo. Yun yung sinasabi ng card. So for now, the guidance is if this is what makes you feel safe and secured, just go with it. No need to take any risks at the moment if pakiramdam mo malaki yung mawawala sa'yo. Pero yun nga, with those parang decisions mo, it will also come with the price na syempre, you will not be totally happy with what will be happening to you. Kasi nga, this is not really the parang scenario that you want to happen. So, the oracle card as guidance given to you for the month of May is, treat yourself to something beautiful today. So, for the month of May, just splurge on yourself. Kung kunwari gusto mong bumili ng flowers, bilhan mo yung sarili mo ng bulaklak. Huwag mo nang antayin yung ibang tao na magbigay sa'yo. Bilhan mo na yung sarili mo. And the next one is turn lemons into lessons. So, yung mga mapapait na bagay na mangyayari sa'yo ngayong May, take it or charge it to experience. So, lesson learned, move on. Do not dwell on the bad things that will be happening to you on May. Parang take it to experience and think of it na you grew wiser because of those experiences that will be happening to you.